You know right now that we have been siphonized? Sisi ndio? Siphon. Hey, don't take this to social media. I'm just bringing it something that you can understand. Sisi ndio nini? Siphon. We have been siphonized until the other day, ODM was threatened that they would remain with no member. It is not an easy thing when someone comes in with a lot of power and authority, influence, and is threatening to take away the very people that you're leading. And you're also benefiting from that small organization. It is not a small matter. It is not. Christ remained a threat. And then they said this: it is expedient for us that know that one man should do what? Die for the people, and not that the whole nation should perish. So we would rather kill him than have a whole nation do what? Perish. I've been in ministry now long enough. I know that those who have been in ministry longer than I am. And I can tell you, when you begin to rise, there are quarters you shake terribly and are not comfortable with you. Are you listening to me? That is the ministry you're coming into.